In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a watermark on Canva Pro. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your Canva Pro account. Once you are on the home page, open the design that contains the image with the watermark. Click on the image that has the watermark so it becomes selected. You will see a border appear around the image. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. This will open Canva's image editing tools. In the editing panel, look for the Magic Eraser tool inside the Magic Studio section. Click on Magic Eraser to activate it. Now, use your cursor like a brush and carefully drag it over the watermark area. Make sure to cover the entire watermark while brushing over it. After you release the mouse, Canva will automatically process the image and remove the selected watermark area. If you still see small parts of the watermark, repeat the process and brush over those areas again until the image looks clean. Once you are satisfied with the result, click outside the image and continue editing your design or download the image. That is how you delete a watermark on Canva Pro.